Hello everyone, today we are at the center of the city. This is the old city in Chiang Mai. And behind me is a minimal townhouse, which is 2 stories townhouse. Let's have a look inside. This house, they have the space for 17 square wire and 100 square meter. And when we at the first step, we will see the living room, and the design of the living room is a minimal style with white color. And also they have the woody design. It will make you feel like a comfortable, relaxing. And also the first floor, they also have another one more room, the small room, where you can do like office room here or the storage room here as well. And for the next of this room, they also have the bathroom inside it here. Yes. And for this one, is a hallway and the lead to the kitchen. I will take you to have a look at the kitchen. It's really warm kitchen, and the kitchen is so white color. It's very well designed. And for the light of the kitchen, they also have the natural light and the electricity light as well. So for the upstairs, I will take you to have a look at the upstairs. They have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom as well. Let's have a look inside. Let's have a look in the upstairs. And now we are here at the second floor. The second floor, they have a 2 bedroom and 1 bathroom. I will show you the first bedroom is here. The design of the first bedroom is a woody style, and they also have another day bed here. You can relax here. And behind me is a big window and a big curtain, and the natural light is welcome through the big window. It makes you like have a very natural. And for this bedroom, they have a spatial entrance for the bathroom. This one, you can directly entrance to the bathroom. And for the bathroom, they also have another door to connecting to another room like this. You will see for the second bedroom here. The second bedroom is like a bit wider than the first one, a little bit, but the style is the same. Yes, let's have a look. This is another option for the one who are looking for the townhouse, which is in the old city. It's the center of the Chiang Mai. What do you think about this house? Please comment down below. And if you want to see the house, just call me by this number as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for the next video. It will be coming soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.